Tummy time strengthens a newborn's upper body muscles and helps prevent flat head. The thing is, most babies hate it at first. But what if we told you that tummy time doesn't have to always be on the floor? There are 5 different positions you can use to help baby actually enjoy being on their bellies. We're breaking down the Bump's ultimate guide to tummy time, including when to start, how long each session should be, and some creative positions to try with your little one, all reviewed and approved by a pediatrician. So what exactly is tummy time? It's simply time baby spends on their stomach while awake and supervised. It's a must for supporting baby's motor development, since it helps build head, neck, and shoulder strength for upcoming milestones, like rolling over and sitting up. It's also important for newborns to spend time off of their backs to help avoid flathead syndrome. You can start as early as the first day home from the hospital, but your little one may not like it at first. Don't be discouraged. Start with shorter, frequent sessions and build up to longer stretches of time. For newborns, aim for 2 to 3 sessions a day for 3 to 5 minutes at a time. By 3 months, work up to a total of 20 to 30 minutes a day. At 6 months, they should be getting as much as 90 minutes a day on their bellies. There are a few tummy time positions to help mix things up for baby. The traditional position is to place baby on their stomach on a clean, flat, and firm floor surface. A play mat can help offer a little cushion. For babies who aren't loving the floor, a good beginner position is the tummy down carrying position, also known as the football hold. Balance their belly on your arm while using your other arm for support. Tummy to tummy is another good position for fussy babies. Lie back and hold baby on your chest so you're face to face. Seeing you, their favorite person, is a great incentive for your little one to lift their head. Lap tummy time is when you hold baby belly down on your lap while seated. For newborns still working on head control, use your hand to support their neck in this position. Lastly, try placing baby tummy down on the floor, with a small rolled towel under their arms for extra support. In a perfect world, baby will push up and move around on their own during tummy time. But chances are, they'll need some sort of stimulation to stay engaged. Here are some tips to help keep your little one happy. Pull out 1 or 2 tummy time toys and place them just out of reach so baby has to lift their head and stretch their arms. Take an unbreakable mirror toy and put it in front of your child's face. Babies often love seeing their reflection during tummy time. And if your little one still isn't happy about exercising alone, you can join in. Talk to them, play with them, read to them, or have a sibling get in on the fun as well. If baby doesn't like being flat on their tummy, you can try propping them with a nursing pillow under their chest at first. This can get them used to the position so you can eventually remove any props. Remember, always keep an eye on baby during tummy time. If your kiddo starts to snooze on their stomach, place them on their back for sleep. For more expert tips, check out the Bump's full guide at the link below.